So, back again, another video, update on the Bolens. Sorry about the shaky camera there. You may notice a few different things on the tractor. Okay, the main thing I want to point out is I relocated the kill switch on this engine. Okay, it was originally down in there, but I cut the wires and I ran them up the side and into the switch that was in the dash. It's actually a little bit better than having to reach down and turn it off, because that's just a pain in the butt, especially when you're on trails. Yeah. Another thing, which is like really obvious, is I made a brush guard for the engine. Mostly it's there to protect the wires, because they're not exactly, protected very much. So I made this, and it seems to work good. It does look good, kind of goes somewhat with the stock color, which was white. So it's a little lighter than I wanted, but whatever. It's really starting to get dark outside. Oh my god. It's nice. That's really all I got right now. Yeah, I forgot. The tire that was on the front, the valve blew out on it, so I'm gonna have to get a new tire and valve and stuff, and plan on getting better tires for the front. This is just a temporary go-kart tire and wheel on it. Like, it's not gonna be on there permanently, so don't worry about that. That's really all I got. Sorry there wasn't so much, but hey, yeah. See you in the next video.